Michael winning seat. We never really know. We never really hear who winning seat yet, you know.
Okay.
Cause we hear the crowd that come and the noise that come. So me take my little pitney them and go put them on one yam tree round at the back.
I was living in the state, honestly, and my family members was here, and we was definitely terrified because it was part of like a communist war taking place in the country. You know what I mean? And that's basically from that. A lot of killing. You understand me? My neighborhood was like left and right. You know.
What neighborhood was that?
This is Waterhouse, Olympic Garden here.
Olympic Garden.
Yeah.
Right here, so.
Same place as you were living. So did you have to? Did you have to move away?
No,
Okay.
me alone leave. All of Upso done. Everybody run from Upso. Everybody run from downtown. Me alone there, so.
You are alone. No man standing around
Yeah,
here.
me and my baby father.
Okay.
Alone.
Okay.
One and two people is over the side there. But majority of them on the side there. Gone. They move them house with truck.
What do you remember about that period in time?
Old pa people, me right here, some of the day, but old pa people did that along in Balmoji school, so all them things. Old pa people, they were right and them things, they all pass now.
Okay.
It was kind of cool in and things, you know what I say?
Okay. So that time was a bloody period. That's
Yeah, one bloody period, man, yeah, man.
What were you doing at the time? What were you doing at the time?
In time, I used to do little fishing, you know.
Okay.
Little
Before you
fishing.
start the sculpture?
Yeah, before me start doing them things.
Guys that I grew up with, they lost their life.
During that time?
Yeah, during that time because they got mixed up in different, party. I lost a friend of mine through the same thing, and a member of my community had to flee the country.
Okay, they had to
Because,
flee the country?
Yeah, they had to flee the country. They had to flee the country. They had to, their family members had to leave this community, and then we met up abroad. And I didn't know that was really taking place here. And it was really fear for their lives. Yeah, and they had to disperse, and they had to, family members doing stuff for them. And some people actually just skip the country illegally.
Altogether.
Yeah, but through Canada and reaching the States.
Did you lose any family member or any friends?
No, I just me and my family them,
Okay. Because everybody run and gone.
Yeah, everybody run me gone. Everybody run me gone.
You know, people leave Ghana country and things, and things. We're Ghana fine, we're dead and things.
You were in any fear at the time? To Wagwan?
A little bit.
Okay.
And when we say a little bit now, it's like you have some bad man that come and broke down the window. And when them look, them see me and baby father. And my three children in there. And them say, oh, I Rasta man.
And that probably saved him at the time.
Yeah, but at the same time, we cool, man.
Okay.
We cool. Kind of say we the road and mix with people. We just live in, go market and thing and come back. And so.
Were you scared during that period of time? Shooting? Were there lots of shooting or anything like
I
that?
live going just right at my yard.
Okay.
If you see the court, I want to go to my neighbor, I go to me just stay at my place. just
During
go.
that time, you want to go out and you not go
Yeah,
out?
I'm not going away at all. I'm going to get the cement and coming back and hold my car from this one. In my yard, go and shop this one, come back. I'm not really going away. You see me? I'm breaking really right up here. So. My uncle, they go to Denham town and they hang on upon him, but through kind of short and fat and strong. And kind of rub up the ice speaking of all of them and leave and thing, but the next one never come back up, you know when I see him. So, you see me I say?
So them never find him body now, no?
They never find him.
So that
But your
happened
uncle
during
survived?
During those times.
Your uncle survived?
Yeah, man, my uncle survived, man. He's a man in called Ralph Lindsay. More time you see like the tourists, man, beat the drum in a color, red color, something. I'll be one favor Oliver.
Okay.
Sometime, yeah.
Cultural thing, okay.
Yeah, all right, yes, I did it, but he kind of sell out and go, you know.
Do you think we have come a far way today now compared to back then with the
No,
violence?
that time is terrible, man.
No?
Yeah,
Even with election and less violence?
everything terrible now. Yeah, me not action, me I tell you.
Okay.
Cause them time them not kidnap no pick no more than so.
Honestly, it's more pencil work. You understand me? So it's not more that gun work.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So they're using the pencil now to do the power work instead of, you know, with bringing people in and, you know, recruit certain people in the community that could, you know, influence.
Okay.
It's not much of the gun crime, you know, because this is unpicked yard.
Then time, you know, politics is mad, you know. Them a kill no people. God bless the tool when them a kill, you know. Everybody kind of come together, you know, and you know them there.
So we come far away. We kind of let go
Yeah,
off.
half a say look at thing.
You think there's more work to be done? What
Yeah,
you think?
man, I work for work one done in the place, man. Said yeah, man.
Okay.
Work for work one done in the place, man. Right, you know, for the youth right now, they want something about you know, factory in there, so and maybe they not qualify enough to get certain type of thing and just, you know, follow some bad company and things. Some of them lose all them life and them here, so.
People not dead right now. And mostly politicians. And politicians are dead most.
Them time there.
Yeah.
Okay. Persons who mix up into the politics
Yeah.
at the
You
time.
couldn't wear a green shirt.
Okay.
Or you couldn't wear an orange shirt. Them say you're labor right and them put you.
Do you think that type of politics will ever come back around?
No, you're not going to go back this year again.
Okay.
You're not going to go this year. You find one pool come on, but how it use are going so rough and, you know, enough, you're not going to again.
I evaluate the extra killing in the 80s time than now, you know. But it's a political move to me still, you know.
Do you think that is the roughest time in the political history of Jamaica, the worst bloodshed?
Yeah, man, in that time, man, it's rough, man.
No, worse than that time then.
Yeah, it's worse than time, man. In time, I'm not seeing nobody pack up in a vehicle, go fling no stone and boat and gun and man, they go and look out if anybody pass through, yes, but man really leave and go to another place and then.
But back in the day, them used to do that.
Moving truck and beers.
Yeah, man, I two truck load and man, burn down this, that. That's a waterhouse move from waterhouse to firehouse, I pay fire and them type of thing.
Them burn a lot of places.
That's what got the name them time, eh?
Yeah, waterhouse is the name and fan time.
People start call it firehouse.
Firehouse, I pay fire bill up. Yeah, go down the road for vote and a labor, and you come back your house to find fire and them thing.